These steps are the process for installing the Office 365 application through an Eastern Washington University account. Step 1. From your preferred browser, go to http://mail.eagles.ewu.edu. Step 2. Sign into Office 365 using your EWU email and password. Step 3. Once logged in, click on the 9-dot grid icon in the upper left corner of the web page and click Office 365. Step 4. Click Install Office on the right side of the web page. Step 5. From the drop-down menu, click Office 365 Apps. Step 6. Click the download icon pop-up at the bottom left of the browser to start installing Microsoft Office 365 onto a computer.